Hi, my name is Catherine Arensberg, and I am an exterior designer in Mobile, Alabama. While we're in this crazy coronavirus situation and we're all pinned up at home, I figured it would be a perfect time to educate you on how to design your own landscape. So I'm going to teach a few classes aiming at getting you the foundation landscape that you're looking for. We're not going to do big scale site planning. This is going to be a typical front and backyard type landscape plans. So to get started, I wanted you to go ahead and gather your materials. You just need a few things so that when we start, on Monday, March 30th, you'll have everything you need and we can hit the ground running with landscape design class. All right, so what you're gonna need for the class is either a plain piece of paper or grid paper. I like grid paper because it's easy to really measure things out on. You can get a ruler or a scale. If you know how to use a scale, this is the perfect tool for this situation. If you don't, a ruler will work just as well. You're also gonna need a pencil, a measuring tape for you to measure your space outside, as well as photos of your space. Unless you can just pop out all the time and look at it, you're gonna make sure that you have some photos so you can reference back to things like windows or columns or things like that that are gonna come important later on when we start designing. So you guys gather your materials and I'll see you back here on March 30th to get started with landscape design class.